You fly around as much. Go ahead and fly around. Take over the place. You see? That's why that's the thing we don't know. You're coming through the AC. I thought when I think was in this. Damn, my hand get panic. Stick up the one on my hand. I'm tired of them, man. I'm really tired of them. Ow. Really tired of them, I'm telling you. Must catch on somewhere, you know. Must catch on a little nasty little flies. A pitch bandits now. You can't put on nothing on a comb. Eh? Go pitch pan that. I don't stay like pitch pan that. Me here to rebuke the hate and the bad mind them. And want to stop me coming the latest trends. They run back at me every day. I bark like a dog, hungry dog. Me say, hungry dog, you want to stop me, serpent. Hungry dog, you want to stop me, serpent. Why you want to slow me down when it's time for me to be happy and striving in my life? You try to strike me down, you nasty little serpent. You serpent that I won't forgive. You serpent that the Lord forget. You serpent, you serpent, you serpent. Run as much as you can, you serpent. But I say I must step on your head. I eat my food yet because I want to be free to spit on you. I want to spit on you, serpent, so I ain't eat yet. Eat this in the next show, not this one. This one is for the serpent. I step on your head, you chakra healer, matande. I step on your head, oh. I tell you, oh, you're building fire to burn yourself, oh. You're building fire to burn yourself, oh. I warn you for this. I warn you for that. I warn you, oh. You building fire to burn yourself, oh. I see you crazy. Something wrong with the brain, oh. Something wrong with the brain. The brain no malfunction, oh. The brain no function good, oh. They hate me because my brain is working. Because my brain is no malfunction. They eat too much burger. They eat too much burger, oh. Too much white flour and rice clog up the brain with the soda, oh. They get mad for me. When I come out like this, oh sister, and I talk in joy, happiness, and peace divine, they get mad for me. They say she this, she that, and she Coco Bell. Some even call me Frog too. But it's okay, the Frog lady. Oh, they say the Frog lady. I say, welcome, oh, welcome, oh. If that's what you said, that's what it is, oh. No problem for that. Welcome to me, eh. I tell you about the wicked people, oh. When you have the wicked ones, you see when my bead fell on my hair. That's because somebody won my hair, you know. The bead fell out to the ground. You see, me no lie to you, look. Bead fell out, just like that, oh. But I tell for you, you fight in the battle, you're going to lose, oh. I swear you're going to lose the battle for this one, oh. I swear you're going to lose the battle for this one, oh. Make peace reign in your heart. Find love for you and your family and friends and neighbor. When you live in the neighborhood, oh. Stop fasting in people business, oh. Stop labber in your mouth like a washing machine, oh. Stop labber your mouth like a washing machine. So everybody can come together and live as one and as peace, oh. You run come to sus this one and sus this one. Mix up and blend, oh. You're a mix and blend. Are you a blender, oh? You're making juice. You put for this one name, that for that one name. Everybody name inside of the blender. And then you blend everybody up. You blend everybody up like this, oh. That's when you know you don't have good people like that, oh. All they do is work a voodoo, They want to put Jojo for you, Obiaman for you, and they want to mess up your life. They want to see you begging water like a tata. They want to see you bending down, picking up penny, oh. Just like them penny, oh. They want to pick up penny, oh. I am telling you. These people no easy, They bad mind you for the simple wig. A single strand of bread, oh, for $1.99 a pack, oh. They will kill you for that. Sister, let me tell you all my experience. I tell them, oh, I'm a natural breed, because I'm a natural black beauty, So I have to have natural black beauty bread, Some of them get jealous, oh, it's no Indian here. I never tell you I was Indian, oh. I never tell you that. I born a black, a beautiful lady. You come tell me no Indian. It's beautiful, How much I pay? Less than $100. How much you pay for your Indian? Maybe $200-300, and it look like it got made from a whole lost dog somewhere. I wash it all and it's still clean. But your one you having is gonna look like when dog having mange. All the hair is coming out. You ever seen a wig with bald spot? And most of these people, they buying the wig for so much money, and the wig end up with mange like a dog. When you look, the wig got bald spot. Bald spot. How your wig gonna have bald spot? You still wearing your wig with bald spot. What a spot, what a shine spot. I tell you, this life no easy. Lot of them want to come and curse me and say this and that about me. But I'm not hungry, I'm not hungry, I'm not hungry, That's the number one thing, You have to let them know. See, my skin is beautiful, I mix good cream, Called celebrity white, Celebrity white. You wanna be celebrity white, You call me, make you nice and celebrity white, and still make you celebrity, These people that will give you cocoa to drink, They will poison your soul, and they will tell lie on you to other people and draw a crowd because they're looking for attraction to say, oh, look, come east, west, north, and south, she is bad. If you call east, west, north, and south and tell them I'm bad, that make you good. That make you no good to calling people to tell them this. Come so about somebody. That's because you're in a low point in your life, and you're looking to take my space, and you can't take my space, How the hell you gonna take my space and you can't come in front of all the people and standing here like me now and talk like me now and present yourself like me now? You can't present yourself, You still running behind like when I used to have the kitchen. The old brought down kitchen you used to have back home, and it kind of lean to the side. And they keep you inside, nobody could see you, And nobody, only see the smoke is coming from the other side, Smoke is coming from the other side, That's all you can see. Some of them is hiding like this in perilous time. They're running from the camera, but they're quick to put you on camera. And the ones who are quick to put you on camera, my God, if they should turn the camera back on themselves, so they can show you and then show themselves. Then you say to oh my Lord, forgive me for I know not what I have done. You see what I mean? Because some of them, I see the size of a mampy. I tell you, very strong. I saw this one lady the other day, and she have on the tight pants, her legs very strong, very big lady. The lady is so strong, she hardly could get any wind or any breeze between her leg because both of them was closed in. Remind you, I'm not disrespecting anyone, but she see me and she pull out her phone and she start to video me. And as I look at her, she got it. When she got it, she do like this. When she videoing me finish and she video me, she did like this. Like, I got you now. Remind you I wasn't wearing no makeup, piece of cloth on my head, punching this bleaching cream, pulling them up in the subway. She feel like, okay, I got you now, So I said to myself, suppose I was supposed to do that too. So she walking down the subway, I look at this woman, the amount of meat she was carrying and the body. I know she was not peace. She have a right to video me because what she was trying to say about me is because she couldn't come to the light to show herself. If she should put the camera back on herself, she could never talk about me. If you should see this lady, she looked like she had some kind of elephant family or elephantitis somewhere. And the body just swelled up. And she was videoing me to say bad about me. I'm like, I got you now. I said to myself, what is this, Lord? What is this? Why you don't leave me alone? Brother, sister, you tell them for this one. Every day I pray to God, I say, God, protect me, oh Lord, protect me from the enemy. But the enemy coming still. I say, Lord, give me a special spiritual gun, oh. So I can use a spiritual gun and I can say, poop the blood of Jesus, poop the blood of Jesus, poop the blood of Jesus, and shatten them. But so they die more coming because there's a lot of evil coming for me. They're coming for me, oh, because I know God, oh, because I pray. Many times they try my faith, sister. They try your faith, sister. They try. Ow, my necklace came off. Ow, they try your faith. I tell you, they try. Oh, they try your faith, sister. And you have to hold on to Jesus. I said, the devil is going to come back for you. What you're setting for me is coming back to you. Yes. Don't want to worry. It'll go sneak up on you see. Like a dopey in the night. Well, no sooner still start walks up on the road. I wonder what happened to and the wickedness send out and people come back. Why you pick me a turn on and not beat you? Beat him like a girl, a wicked woman. I see, so I go Island Port and people do her. Beat her. My daughter and the manners because you work too much up here. How your daughter going to have manners when Dopey I feel right, Hello, I'm tired. Why express yourself? Yes, my brother and sister. So what I'm telling you, the juju what they put for me, they come back for them. Here they come. Don't worry, time is only time the juju come back for you. The juju will walk and one divine until he eat up your spirit inside of your body. How you gonna feel? Be good with yourself and be good to others. What the trap you said for others is going to fall on you. They don't understand that, my child. Hello. Trinidad, how are you? Yes, I'm here. You want to call me? Call in 347-469 3874, sir. This is Mrs. Kakafat. I just arriving. Yes, sir. I can't see so good. I gotta put my glasses on. Yes, sir. Well, call in 347-469 3874. You call it and now we tell you what's going on. Ask me what you want to ask me, but ask me in a good way. May answer you properly. You see, child, I've been traveling a long time now overseas and I just getting here. And when you hear me come here, this is Mrs. Kakafat at JBC Radio Station 1. Well, good evening. My name is Mrs. Kakafat. You see, I was born a true Jamaican. And back in my days when I was young, I used to go to market and sell a lot of mango and hockey and breadfruit and Cersei. Cersei make good tea and fever grass and all them things. Used to make good rundown with salt mackerel and even herring. You know me love the food, my child. And I tell you, I would war over breadfruit anytime. When a breadfruit time, me hardly sleep, child. At night time, I dream see some big breadfruit pan the tree, you see, with some brown pan the side. And you know when them big and shine so, and they have little brown sinting pan them, and you pick them, and you see the milk draining from the stem. You dig out the stem, and you fill it with salt. You dig out the stem, you see, child, and you fill up the stem with salt where you dig it out. And if you fill up with salt, you also can put some salt in the water in the bucket, you see, child, and you throw the breadfruit them in there, and you left them overnight, because you're going to roast tomorrow. You see, when you roast tomorrow the breadfruit, you salt right through the breadfruit. The salt soak right through the material, and you have breadfruit with salt. Now, many young girls wouldn't know so you could have salt breadfruit, so, because they don't know anything good. Most of them do not want to listen to them parents, and some of them parents is no good. Some of them do not set any example for them daughter nor them son. And when they don't set example, they pity them coming like a spoiled fruit in a basket. And them and the parents live the same kind of nasty life. And when you see them start to be like that, you stay far from them because trouble not the far to come at your door. Then just want you to sneeze. And soon as you sneeze, you see, then go tell lies so you pit on them. And some wicked, dirty kind of mongrel them will come on and I exist, you know. Them the one that have nowhere going in life, you call them turn back to. Turn back to, you call them turn back to. Then try to tap everybody what them a do. And then them now reach the way in life because and say, they won't stop go up your man and spend the 2 little shilling and pence we gotta give them. Just to try to dry up your trailer shilling and pence we are come to you. Then take for them one and go up your man and try to tap few franc come in. Now when you see a wicked culprit like that, a bad mind rat, a bad mind mongoose like that, all you have to do is pray to God for deliverance and to deliver them, you know. Because they can't get no more curse on what them really is in life, you know, child. Some of them depend some real mongrel dog, them, you know. Me wouldn't call them pit bull because they're not strong enough for me and the pit bull to bite them cock a hole. But like I said to your child, back home used to be a beautiful and a lovely place. Only America may come in and see so much wicked people. We start texting pie and some of the one we come from, where you come from all about black as you are, then go on at them white and go on at them one racial profile against you. And on them black as you is. The first thing they want to tell us is you're ugly. And they want to curse God, how God make you. And then damn out harder. You see, that's the problem, you know. If they did crucify Jesus Christ and Judas tell lie and get him, what's me and you, them are go crucify we? Of course they're going to crucify your child. But be ready to be on the cross. Because you have to be an end to every goddamn story. You hear me tell you? No wicked people can provide for so long you can reign. And all your big fountain and mountain and everything you have will come crumbling down like ashes to ashes. And dust to dust. Because hateful people have nowhere going. They are sad. You should be sorry for them. Have some sorriness for them, you know. Because them heart, them really sad. And them looking for attention. Them looking for the love that them probably don't even know who their mama and papa are. And they need that kind of love. But they're reaching out to the wrong person in the wrong way. You see, that's not the way to get the love you want and the attention that you want. The way to get it is to do it in a manly and a human way of being kind and be nice to people and get along with people and try to get along even if you can't get along. But you can't expect, say, you want to cuss people where God make them how you want to cuss them. And who know have problem why the world turns so, you know. You know, see, man never comfortable how God make the place. And God give it rain. And God give it sun. And God give it breeze. And the breeze blow nice and cool. Not true, girl. Especially when you're hot. But when man never satisfied, then don't want to believe in God. So what you think then do? Then start to build all kind of sinting figure moon. Then galang up a moon now and then galang up they go chip the moon or crack the moon or where they want to the moon. Then travel all up in a space and them still trying to find out how the earth was created. Now how man can be so bad mind. Then can't satisfy if you know see how God make it. Then bad mind so they want to make it and to see how it make. And see if they can make a whole new world for themselves. Because they covetous and bad mind. So now you can see how far bad mind is coming from. And bad mind is still exists. Because them still are trying to figure out how God make the world. And trying to say, this make it and that matters and dark matters and fetal matters. And put them together in a big bang and all kind of nonsense. Because they don't want to submit to God's goodness and God will and give God God the glory and appreciate what he make. So now them start to everybody know how God make you. If you don't get plastic surgery and bust up your nose and put something in to make it straight, they have a problem with you. When you fix that now, they have a problem with your waistline. They have a problem with your body shape, you know. They want the big breadfruit by your back, the two big jackfruit peg by your back. And nobody don't care if you're dead or alive how to get it. And these people are rushing in, getting it to be on top to say, well, I'm something great. You're not something great. You are still the person you are. It depends what you look on to make yourself great. If you believe in yourself and love yourself the way you are, nothing can make you feel more greater than yourself. All right? So, they're not satisfied with not the way God make. And that's why they still are trying to find out how the earth make. From the time human being and scientists from all over the goddamn world are trying to find out until them dead out and the young one them come and them still trying to find out how the world was made, and it was made by God himself. But human covetous and bad mind, them always want to duplicate and make something off of the real, and they always make a knockoff. So they want to go and make a knockoff world. You see, so them start to invent all kind of thing, and people start to come up with this and that, and you can't be perfect no more without no makeup. You must look like a plastic dolly all day of your life. Walk around with all this something up on your face. You see what I mean? You see, otherwise people look at you like you're nothing. They don't even want to say hello or good afternoon. That's what the world become now. Back in the days, them thing never matter. Girl pretty with coconut oil on she skin. And she shiny bump here. And she smell good because she beat with her carbolic soap. If she want to roll arm and she don't have none, she simply cut a green lime and rub on her arm and galang where she go and she fresh and sweet seeing away all day. Nowadays, nobody no wants to see the coconut oil and shiny bumps naturally again. They want to see the paint and the long hair, and you have to be like a plastic doll. Nobody want to say hi. Soon as you go inside and pick up all this nonsense and put them on your face and walk outside, all the cars stop. All the people stop like running like a damn idiot. And you look at them and say, these people do not want anything is real. They want fake. And that's the reason why they still continue figuring out how they could make a new world. Because them always just want to make stuff. They're not satisfied the way it's supposed to be. When somebody come on here and start to cuss me and say, Mrs. Cocker fat, you look ugly, you look like a frog and you're something and or whatever. It don't bother me a bit. Because I know so you have a problem with yourself. Because God make people in his own looks, different shape and different size and thing. So you know what I mean? Sometimes you see people and them have different shape and they look different, but you still have to give them compliment and make them feel happy. Because God make everybody different. When the ones come to you now and them want to bring you down and say you look worse than them look, and taking picture of you, and them can't turn the camera around back at themselves. Now from now on, when you're showing people a street, you must make the camera show the person and show yourself too. Right? If you can. I would really appreciate that, I tell you. At the same time. So when you look at the person, you can see you too. You see what I mean? Judge no one and you should not be judged, yes? So this is what I want to tell you about the hypocrites them. Them come to your house to watch why in your house, what kind of bed you they sleep on, what kind of clothes you have to go back and chat. Then come and then yam out your food, them borrow money from you, and them still go on the back and chat you and don't like you. Nowadays are some perilous people you mix yourself with. You see, that's why I stay by myself. Me and bury alone and God. Because, and sometimes I get lonely and feel like I would talk, so me good to them call me sometime, and so on. Like anybody else. But sometimes you don't even know what to talk to and who to trust to talk to. And you're talking, so you still have to be careful because people are just out to get you. You know what I mean? For simple little thing you say. You know what I mean? Yes, man. So I love you, I tell you. Don't worry, me child. Call in if you want. I'm not getting any call. Call in now if you want to talk. Call me if you're going to a church and they're asking you for too much money and you're tired of it. Let me hear your story go. Call me if you have a daughter or a son that won't behave and what the problem is. Call me in if you want to. Just call me in for good advice. I notice y'all never come on Instagram when me over there with my antics. I dance on Instagram and all them thing. You never come over there and say Mrs. Kakafata dance on Instagram. You never check me out at all, boy. Yes, ma'am. Well, on Instagram, you know, a lot of antics there. You know. Yes, man. I love you too. So I want you to know, be careful of the hate and the bad mind them. The parasite them, the fly by night and pitch by day them. Because them coming after you because them bad mind for your talent, them bad mind for who you are. Everybody have a talent. Best believe that. Everybody have a talent. So if you don't believe everybody have a talent, that's on you. But everybody have a talent. Yes, my child. So I'm telling you, bad mind, some of them bad minds until them sour, they got them vexed thinking about you, you know. They got them bed vexed thinking about you when you don't even know them or remember them. Vexed about you because you're trying to keep a roof over your head. You're trying to keep food in your mouth. It's a problem to them. Child, I tell you, it's a problem, eh? It's a problem, eh? You tell me. Who is good? Hold on, darling. You hang up. Hello? You don't have to hang up, man. Who is this? I think this person is a prank caller too, you know. Because this person been calling all week. I don't think this but I'm gonna take the call and see. Call and get a celebrity white 347-469-3874. For women a cream. Call and get a celebrity white goodie. Three 447-469-3874 or call Jay 347-737-1812. 737-1812 or 469-3874. Next week I'll have the serum them. Whitening serum you can buy next week. Different size and different size bottle. I'll be making the serum. I have the serum, the oil and everything strengthened. Serum. So you can just buy the serum if you don't want the cream. And that got everything in it. So whatever cream you use it with or whatever cream you're using, with the serum that you buy from me, that is gonna put everything in it. So that will whiten your skin if you have cream already. Use a serum to go with it. So alright, so we'll be having that. Okay, guys? Next week I'll be having the serum. If you don't want to buy the cream, just buy a backlash serum. I can put it with whatever cream you have. Whatever cream you're using. And that way you can make more cream too. Because you get the serum, you can mix all a whole 2 jar of cream for yourself. But the serum, what we're making with the whitening medicine, we're making with the serum. And if you're making the whitening medicine, we're putting on the cream. So you're getting the old ingredients, the only thing you wouldn't be getting is the cream. So it's still going to whiten you, very white. Or you can put in your cream, whatever cream you have. So I got to focus on that. But call in and get your cream. Because, you know, to put more in the business, I need more money. So you have to call in and buy a cream. And we can't get the serums. Alright, guys? It's very similar cream. How long I'm in a cream? Much days you see my skin stay, I'm in a cream. Is it? I made that follow it up right now. I'm not going to tell them. I'm going to try to do it tonight. Personal answer, man. Could I say somebody I play around? No answer. So later on, I come and talk to you guys. I love you. Yeah, I'm not eat yet, man. You know the devil keep running behind me, so I got to address him to let him know that at anything you waste your time, come and stop. It's not that you're gonna do, gonna stop me. It's not that you try gonna stop me from being who I am and come to the goodies. I want to take down every single page. Remember me tell you, say God is with me, I'm going to just open my next one. Remember me tell you that. Just remember that. Alright? I love you guys, and I'll come back and talk to you guys. Alright? Big up YouTubers. I love you. Big up yourself. Thank you for subscribing to me. Let's go to 10,000. We're close to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go it. Make it to 10,000. Let's go for the 10,000. Because when people trying to stop all of it, you got to keep going. Alright? Just keep going, please. Alright? So go over there and subscribe, all of it. If any antics, you're going to come on Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to go on antics on Instagram tonight because I got to work out. And maybe tomorrow I can get some Insta, like some pum-pum shots or something, some sexy stuff. But you have to come on Instagram because that's where I go and do my antics. Go on there and dance and all, something there. You know, no problem, you know. Can't do it on Facebook and YouTube because that's different. Instagram is different. You can go on Instagram and get funky and, you know. So I do that sometimes, but you guys be missing out because you don't be checking my Instagram. But I'm not going to go on there tonight, tomorrow, so I'll let you guys know before I go. So I like to keep up my antics. It's just who I am, you know. Nobody going to stop me from being crazy or being funny or being what the hell I want to be. It's my life. I'm free to do so. I'm not borrowing anybody's life. I'm not borrowing anybody's time. I'm actually in my own timeline. I'm not borrowing anybody's life to talk right now. So who don't like it, that's their business. God bless you. Come again. I love you. Because one more always make another view. Whatever case make you don't like me or whatever case you don't, I don't care. You know, I do my makeup. Yeah, it's not perfect. Sometimes it's spoiled up. But I go on with it because I'm not a big makeup artist, you know. But I go on to my thing and to be funny. It doesn't matter. So, you know, make a difference, you know. Whatever. Like last night, I was so tired, you know. And I still take those pictures. And somebody like the picture and I look good, take it down. I'm not business on no one say. I don't care how it look. If you look to one eye out and one eye and I feel to post it, a picture, I post it. Kind of lifetime, you still post a picture. It's lifetime you're living, you know. You can leave those behind. Somebody might still glad to see them and then can't see no more. If you're dead gone or something, just post your picture of them. Don't care what nobody say. If you can't make up perfect, it's not about makeup. That's why you can't make up perfect. I wasn't into makeup, right? I left Jamaica, I couldn't even wear lipstick and them something there. Come I put on lipstick, I said, what the hell is this? You know, and all them stuff. So I mean, it's not a big deal. You know, it's not a big deal, man. So I love you guys, and I see you later. I see you later, alligator. I see you later. All right, love you, mwah. Yeah. But tell me already, son, it cannot be cheap, right, Goody? It cannot be cheap, you know what I mean? Because, I mean, to get the wig, I say, if you want me to pick it up for you, give me something for myself. You know it is $69 for it because I get it wholesale. You understand me? You know what I'm saying? And to get these here, it's not easy to get these braided like this. And it's so neatly. You know, it's not easy because when you get in on a lace front and then I have, you know, on the base with my human, you can't lie down. So, I mean, if you want to be cheap, I'm not going to buy it and sell it back. I could have do that. But the minute I buy them and selling them back and say, you know what, and put something on that, it's going to be more than $69. It'll bound up to like $100. You know what I mean? I don't want to go through that and go through that for, you know, like a $10 and like a $20 profit. I can't bother with that. You know what I mean? Somebody want to give me something and pick it up. If you buy another cream or you buy that stuff from me, you give me free and say, Alibet, when you go in there, just pick up one for me and you go buy a cream or something then. Because you're buying stuff from me, then I'll pick it up. Because you're spending your money buying something from me, ask me to pick up something for me, I'll pick it up. Because you're supporting me. I'm a very nice person. Believe me, I'm not stuck up. I'm not greedy feet, say me alone for wearing nobody else. You know? Because everybody has something different and it's a nice piece. You can wash it, you can put it on, you can serve you a long time. A really long time. You can add more ear to it if you want. You can put different color in ear in it if you want. You know, put it on a wig to keep it nice. You know, and shit, let me buy more one. So I can't wait for a while because I like how it neat. When I look at it, it's like, wow. I'm going to buy it and try it and I'm going to come home. It's like, this is good. I'm going to go and get the next one. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right, I'm going to take it off when I come in because, you know, I'm going to keep me something for my head and I cook and sitting. So I'm going to just dry it back on. You know what I mean? And I just say go. If you want one, you buy your stuff, then whatever you give me, take me, pick it up for you, no problem. No problem at all. But they have a lot of them have black and they have this color. And I hope a color is coming out. Right? Because I want the red one. She don't have burgundy, so I order 2 burgundy for myself for her. Right? But they have this color and black. But you always could put color in it what you want. You can braid it like a white piece, whatever you want, put in it, and do your own thing. You can also style it different. You don't have to wear it. You can style it many different ways. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Some days you don't feel like the body you put on, you wash it, clean it, dry, and you're gone. You know, you pull it up in a ponytail, you wrap it up in whatever you want to do with it. I don't really care, man. I just keep it real as some stay, you know. Because once you buy them, if I buy them and I sell them back, nobody now go on to buy it. Trust me. If 1 or 2 person buy 2, that's all I'm going to buy. But it's not going to buy no more. Because I'm selling them. All of it now, if you make no profit, when I buy that shit. When it comes to cream, you know, people buy it because, you know, everybody like cream. You know, but some people, they're not. Trust me. Now, people had a week from me the last time and I know they're not pick up it. You understand me? So, when you have the certain things, you have to just scan. When people say I make money, some people don't want to support you. They don't want to buy it. So I don't want to buy something that I know that people might not want to support me on and to sell back. Rather you send the money, come and buy it for you. If you want to take me something, you take me something. I pick it up for you because you're good. You buy a cream or something from me and just give it real. So I don't have the burden of buying it and all them stuff there. Out of my pocket and nobody now go buy it back. You buy your own sitting. At least me pick it up. I'm a good person if them still have no more left. I then go that don't sell out already since more wear this. You know? That's why I buy more than one. Because so once more people like it, and everybody see they're gonna buy it. And like it look good, you know. It long too. not short. See? You can style it different. You know what I mean? Keep it real. I wear all kind of wig. Enough wig me have here. All kind of wig. I have purple wig, yellow wig, pink wig, orange wig. I don't know me have enough wig. But I just like this because it look more natural. You know, all the while they want, you know, this look more natural. You know? I love you too, Goody. So I'll come back on later, right? I love you. Yeah, because if I upload, if I make money, if I get me commercial break and get my money. So me come back on, because I work right now, I need money. Alright? If I work, for get money. Okay, I love you, okay? I'll come back on just now, okay? Yeah. If I upload these, so I can carry on certain things, because I forget commercial break on them. Alright, love you. Yeah, come back.